Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Krystal application on your iPhone. If you want to download and install the Krystal Crypto and Web3 wallet application on your iPhone, then the process is quite easy. First of all, tap open your app store and then go to the search box at the top and type in Krystal. In the search result page, go ahead and tap on this application that says Krystal Crypto and Web3 Wallet. Tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iPhone, which will take a couple of minutes. And after it's completed, you can start using and accessing your Krystal Wallet application from your iOS device. The mobile application focuses on liquidity provisioning on decentralized exchanges. It allows users to interact with various decentralized applications, and the app is available for both Android and iOS users. So that is how you can easily download the Krystal Crypto Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.